Hello, tool enthusiasts. Welcome to Trends Tech, your go-to channel for discovering the latest and greatest tools on the market. Today we're reviewing top gadgets designed to make your work easier and more efficient. The Weasel Bulb Planter is the ultimate helper for planting tulips and other bulbs quickly and easily. This tool produces perfect planting holes that are 6 inches deep and 3.75 inches in diameter, giving a neat and professional finish every time. Not only does it dig a precise hole, but it also retains the soil for easy backfilling as you dig the next hole. The soil removed will effortlessly fill in the previous one. This feature speeds up the planting process and keeps it cleaner and more organized. Made from durable, powder-coated carbon steel, this planter is lightweight but built to last, making it an ideal choice for planting bulbs, flowers, and even small vegetables. The Ryobi Compact Cutoff Tool is a powerful and versatile machine designed for cutting through various materials, including metal, plastic, tile pipe, drywall, cement board, PVC, and even vinyl siding. Its lightweight, compact design allows for one-handed operation, making it easy to handle for quick jobs. Featuring a brushless motor, this tool provides extended runtime, more power, and increased efficiency, delivering up to 20,000 revolutions per minute for smooth, clean cuts across a wide range of materials. As part of the Ryobi One system, the tool shares batteries with other tools in the range, making it a convenient and valuable addition to any toolkit. The Gardena 100T wall-mounted hose reel simplifies garden watering with its automatic rewinding feature. After use, a gentle pull on the hose prompts it to retract smoothly and neatly into its casing. The reel rotates 180 degrees, allowing you to water in any direction without twisting the hose. Once you're done, the reel swivels back against the wall to save space. For added security, you can lock the reel to its wall bracket with a regular padlock. This hose reel system is UV and frost resistant, making it suitable for year-round use. The set includes a wall bracket, connecting hose, all necessary fittings, and a sprayer, offering a complete, durable solution for convenient garden watering. The super handy portable winch is ideal for outdoor tasks, such as freeing a stuck SUV or hauling a heavy log through the woods. With the ability to pull loads up to 1,000 pounds on a single rope or 2,000 pounds with a double rope, this battery-powered winch is compact and portable, suitable for use in forestry, hunting, and construction. The winch features an instant start button, a leak-proof battery, and the option to quickly swap batteries if the charge runs low. This reliable and versatile winch is built to tackle heavy-duty tasks with ease, making it essential for anyone needing strong pulling power in remote locations. The Jianan plastic pipe welding tool is designed for joining pipes made from PPR, PE, PVC, and other plastics, accommodating various pipe diameters up to 63 millimeters. The tool's aluminum alloy panel offers strength, excellent heat conduction, and effective insulation, while a rubber-coated wire ensures both electrical insulation and flame resistance. Its polypropylene handle provides a comfortable grip and extra protection against electrical hazards. The welding temperature is adjustable from 0 to 320 Celsius, controlled via a digital display for precise adjustments. Housed in a sturdy metal box, the tool is convenient to store and transport, making it ideal for professional use. The Skill Compact Multi-Cutter is a versatile cutting tool capable of handling materials like cardboard, carpet, leather, and vinyl up to 6 millimeters thick. Its 40 millimeters diameter blade remains sharp to ensure precise cuts, while the compact, lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use for extended periods. Equipped with a power lock mechanism, the multi-cutter prevents accidental startups for added safety. With a blade speed of 300 revolutions per minute, it provides optimal cutting performance for most common materials. Compatible with all Skill 12-volt batteries, this multi-cutter is a reliable and convenient tool for a range of projects. The big red car jack stands are built from high-quality forged steel with a welded frame to ensure maximum durability. Each stand can support up to 6,000 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of passenger vehicles. The height of the stand is adjustable from 111 per 4 inches to 163 per 4 inches using a special tooth rail that allows for quick and secure adjustments. A wide perimeter base and large footprint provide enhanced stability and firm contact with the vehicle. These stands are rigorously tested for safety and compliance with ASME standards, offering a secure solution for car maintenance tasks. The rigid portable chain vise is designed to hold pipes securely in place, accommodating diameters from 1 per 8 inch to 6 inches. Ideal for materials like steel, copper, and PVC, its chain clamp ensures a firm grip on the pipe. The vise's tri-stand design allows for easy transportation, folding up for quick setup and a stable workspace. Additionally, it features a grounding tab for welding tasks and a sturdy tool tray for storing essentials. With a built-in handle for convenient carrying and a self-locking mechanism, this vise is a reliable tool for professionals who need portability and stability in the field. The Fiskars Reach Tree Pruner is an essential tool for trimming high branches with ease, extending from 7.9 feet to 12 feet, so you can reach tall branches without using a ladder. Lightweight to minimize arm fatigue, the pruner includes both a chain-driven blade that offers 3 times the cutting power of standard pruners and a double-grounded saw for tackling thicker branches. With a 230-degree rotating head, you can adjust the cutting angle to suit any task. Made from hardened steel, the blades stay sharp even with heavy use, and the low-friction coating prevents debris from sticking, making pruning smoother and easier. The Bessie Platen Traeger panel carrier is designed to make transporting large panels, such as plywood and chipboard, easier and safer. With a load capacity of up to 75 kilograms, the rubber-coated sliding clamps hold panels securely, preventing scratches or damage. Weighing only 750 grams, the carrier is lightweight and adds minimal extra weight to your load. This tool not only simplifies transportation but also ensures a safe grip, reducing the risk of the panel slipping from your hands. Ideal for those who frequently handle large sheets, the Bessie Platen Traeger boosts efficiency and safety on the job. That's a wrap on today's tool showcase. Subscribe for more reviews like this video and let us know your favorite tool in the comments below.